Is Boots Online Pharmacy right for you? Let's find out. Links to everything mentioned are down below. Boots is a trusted UK-based online pharmacy offering convenient access to health and wellness products, prescriptions, and expert advice. Perfect if you're looking to manage your health needs from home, whether you're a busy professional or have mobility issues. Their streamlined prescription service lets you upload prescriptions or have your GP send them directly. Boots takes care of the rest, delivering quickly and discreetly, often within 1 to 2 working days. Need over-the-counter products? Boots has a massive range, from skincare to vitamins and medications. Clear product descriptions and customer reviews make it easy to choose. The website is easy to navigate too. Need advice? Consult directly with a pharmacist about minor ailments or medications, perfect if you have a quick question. Plus, Boots often has deals and loyalty points through their Advantage card, saving you money over time. Boots maintains high-quality standards, sourcing products directly from trusted manufacturers. Orders are securely packaged, and their customer support team is always ready to help. Overall, Boots Online Pharmacy is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a trusted and user-friendly platform to manage their health and wellness. Need prescriptions, health advice, or everyday essentials? Boots delivers convenience without compromise. Check the links below.